How to create two YouTube channel with one Gmail account. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily create multiple YouTube channels with a single Gmail account. Now in order to do that, first you need to go over to your web browser and then go to youtube.com. Once you head over to YouTube, tap on the profile icon at the bottom top right corner. And then from here you can just go to your YouTube studio. Tap on it. From your YouTube studio, you want to find your settings menu on the left hand side. Then from settings, you want to go to channel, go to advanced settings, and then from here scroll all the way to the bottom until you find manage YouTube account. Tap on it. That's going to open up another page, or you could go to youtube.com/accounts. So this is my main channel over here. Now you can either add or manage your channels over here. Just tap on the second option and it will show you all the available channels here. So I already have created a channel with the same Gmail account, so I'll show you how to do that. Tap on create a channel. Now for this you need to quickly verify that you are a real person. So tap on this. You can verify by providing a phone number, or you could do a 6-second video of yourself and build history as you go. So go ahead and select any one of this, and then you can just tap on next. Tap on done. And once that is done, once the verification is complete, you can easily create a new YouTube channel with the same Gmail. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.